Solving the puzzle of patient diagnosis leads to accurate treatments. Patients with symptoms of numbness, tingling, paresthesia, and weakness can be challenging to diagnose. And we know rather well, to treat a problem, we must know the cause of a problem.
The wrong diagnosis and treatment can not only prolong the patient's suffering, worry, and disability, but it can also be costly and even dangerous to our patients. There are the usual tests that can be done, all of the x-rays, the MRIs, and the blood tests. But what if all of those tests come back normal, and we don't have enough information to provide a good diagnosis? In many cases, there is a quick, easy, and reliable test that helps us to pinpoint the cause of the patient's problem and begin proper, effective treatment. And just as important to me and my patients, rule out all of those dangerous things that we both worry about.
I had some numbness and tingling in my hand. I couldn't feel anything, and even when I pushed the buttons, I was like, oh my God, did I have a stroke? I was so scared because I remembered what happened to my uncle when I was growing up.
I kept seeing these commercials for vascular diseases, but I know the drug companies put these things out there to scare people. I worry about my diabetes. How can I find out what is wrong with me?
Electromyography and nerve conduction studies provide the physician with valuable information about the integrity of the neuromuscular system. Entrapment syndromes such as carpal tunnel or tarsal tunnel syndromes, but also peripheral polyneuropathies, radiculopathies, and myopathies can be confirmed with electrophysiology testing.
Easy, safe, reliable, and effective, an EMG NCV test can provide answers to simple and complicated problems.
I was so glad that it was just carpal tunnel. I knew all these years working on computers it would catch up to me. My doctor sent me for an ultrasound, and he had me do some physical therapy, and he had me even modify the activities. It took some time, but it's really working.
The doctor explained to me that the feeling in my legs is a pinched nerve. I am so glad that it hasn't affected my diabetes. I have worked so hard on keeping those numbers down.
Listening to my patient's problem, obtaining a good history, and performing a careful physical examination are extremely important for getting the correct diagnosis. Adding the nerve studies helps me to confirm my diagnosis and get to the root of the problem quickly. This helps me to help my patients quickly and effectively.
These are but a few of the cases where the astute physician, through their concern, learning, and experience, can guide the patient in the right direction towards a correct, timely diagnosis and start the right treatment plan.
I felt really comfortable about the tests, and they explained everything to me, and I was really happy that they took their time at it.
When my doctor asked me to do this test, I wasn't sure what to expect, but it was easy, it was painless. And the staff was great and very professional.
Dr. Kostopoulos has over 15 years of experience in clinical electrophysiology and has performed and published extensive research.
So quality care matters most to me, and electrophysiology testing has been an extremely valuable tool for my practice. I find that I can have the testing done in my practice, and I can help the patients quickly and effectively.
I can now have a greater certainty for my diagnosis, and I can manage my patients more effectively. My patients are happy, I'm happy. This service has significantly enhanced my practice in all aspects.
We believe in a team approach. Our team of trained professionals, always in the closest of cooperation and communication with your practice, is here to provide your patients with a pleasant and comfortable experience, and to obtain the valuable information needed by you to accurately diagnose and properly treat your patients.
Proper testing assists in correct diagnosis that leads to appropriate treatment. EMG NCV testing can be part of your medical practice now.